Quadro. I've never heard of that amp. Nice.
Still lightweight.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
What's your name, man?
Mac.
Mac. Okay. Oh, Pride Audio. All right. So what's your equipment and all in here, man?
I've got two 15-inch Pride MTs.
Okay.
Apollo 5K on that.
Okay.
And a Quattro 500 running my two 6.5s.
Got it. Okay. Quadro. I've never heard of that amp.
Yep.
Nice.
Yep. Still lightweight.
Okay. Did you build the box or?
Yep. Built the box. Built the whole truck in 4 days.
Really?
Got 8 layers of Noise sound deadener in this thing. I'm needing it.
Yes, sir. Have you metered it yet?
Yeah.
What'd you do?
My best is a 53.
Really? That's really good for this.
Yeah, 52
wow.
with the headrest.
What was your peak?
Hertz?
Yeah, Hertz.
34.
34? All right. Yeah, that's pretty good, man.
Let's change this up right quick. I was trying to look for some new songs for today, but we'll just stick to the old stuff, I
Okay.
guess.
What's your box tuned to?
It's tuned kind of raw. It was tuned at like 36, and I tried to shrink it a little bit. It needs to be shrunk more.
Yes, sir.
But it's around that 34, 36 area. So.
Okay. Yep. All right.
You ready?
Yes, sir.
Sipping and spilling this Jack and Coke all over my clothes. Kicking it at shows with the bombers hoes. What you ain't heard about, young wicked shit. Your mama's not. Baby, murder over everything. I'm sick of that.
The demo, man.
That's all right.
Wow. That low went really low. I thought it was going to bottom out, but it didn't.
No, they have a really good range, man. Like I said, it peaks around 34, but it'll pick up 28 all the way up to like 42.
Yes, sir.
So like the Russians did it right, man. They've got a lot of range.
Yes, sir. Thanks for the demo, man. Nice to meet you. What was your name again?
Mac.
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 MAC. Thanks, Mac. I'll keep your door open.
heard about young wicked shit. Your mama now. Baby, murder over everything.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.